What up, what up? I just gotta spit some real shit real quick. Check it. Nobody could water down my message as long as I'm alive and spitting. I'm full of life and venom, rhymes of venom. So if any corporate structure tries to get in my way, they just colliding with them. Record labels have niggas talk about drugs, making it seem like drug supplies is endless. And they have niggas spit rhymes full of lies about killing, trying to destroy mankind's existence. Why our country's fucked up and every day there's troops that die in the trenches. The rap game is so fruity and ass backwards, we got young dudes dressing up disguised as bitches. And today's rappers front like they make it rain, making kids believe that if you're a studio gangster, sky's the limit. But you only end up a slave without the whips and chains cause the master won't provide you riches. They just think that black dudes are dumb over aggressive monkeys that try to get a nut off. They know they could own you cause you front like you're a G but you're a bitch when the street lights come on. So they have you lie to the black and brown youth about how many shots you busting off. It's only a strategic way for them to take over while their worst nightmare gets slowly plucked off. And that's real.